Hello, my name is Owen, and today I'm showing you my second API project, an inventory management system with a full CRUD operations. This API project includes two collections, the items and the users, with complete data validation and error handling. Let me show you the deployment, the live instance. Before that, you can see that it's properly running on the local host. So this is my GitHub. Just like you can see my username Owen Kasulu in the URL. So these are the files that I was able to push, and if you look closely, you see that there are some files that are here which are not here, and that's for protection. I used the .env file, the .gitignore file, to make sure that those files that I don't want to be pushed on my GitHub repo are not pushed. Just like you can see, all this doesn't get pushed to my repo. So my app is running clearly on the live instance via this URL, just like you can see. So when we come to the swag documentation, like I said earlier that we have got two collections. This is the items collections and this is the users collections. So let's test them one by one, each of them. So we try it out, we execute. This is not supposed to take a lot of time, but depends on your internet connection. Come on. Sorry about that, it could take a minute, slightly less or more. Perfect. So if it returns this code, it means it is working perfectly without any issues. So let's also test the users, and we see. Try it out, execute. It's also working very correctly. So that is it. In case you wanna see the source code, you can just come here to my GitHub repo and it will be readily available. All these, the necessary files and the API test file as well is included, both on localhost and on live server instance, and the readme file has got all the instructions on how to make it run and work perfectly. Thank you.